Hey, what's up everyone? So in this quick video, we will see how to create a business email address within a few minutes only. Now, first of all, we need to make sure that you already have a domain name, and if you don't have one yet, you can easily register a new domain from us or basically from any domain register provider. So once you have your domain name ready, the next step is to log into your hosting control panel. So in my case, I'm using cPanel, but the same process goes for other panels like Plesk or Direct Admin. But for this specific video, I'm going to use cPanel. So once I'm logged in, I will scroll down to the email section and click on email accounts. Now here you will see an option to create a new email account. Make sure to click on that. Then I'm going to add a username. For example, you can use info, contact, or even your name. But for this video, I'm going to use info, and then we need to generate a new password. So once you have filled all the details, click create. Now your email account has been successfully created and you can access your email through Webmail. Now there is one more important thing before we can start using our email, and that's email deliverability. Now to make sure that our emails actually reach our recipients and don't land in the spam folder, we need to have a few essential DNS records properly configured with our domain. And in order to do that, in the search bar, make sure to search for email deliverability. And as you can see, in my case, my email deliverability status is actually valid. And these includes the MX records, SPF record, TKM record, and DMARC record. Now we need to make sure that all these records are valid. So once these records are in place and validated, our business emails is not only ready to use, but also trusted and secure. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.